Sign up to the SBR network and use your free daily bet points to earn real-world prizes. Click on the page and start winning now.
There are many ways to wager the 2014 World Cup. Sportsbookreview.com has a directory of betting markets. The page is a tool which shows the best odds by sportsbook. For example, if you want to make a bet on the World Cup winner, start from the top and analyze the champion market. As of this broadcast, 5-Dime Sportsbook have the best odds on Brazil at plus 310. That means a $100 wager pays $310 in profit. This payoff is $10 more on average than if you place the bet with another book. If you're looking to bet more of a long shot, Belgium is offered at plus 1700 at Sports Interaction. This means a $100 bet pays $1,700. Personally, I want to wager Japan. So if I scroll down and find Japan, I can see the average payoff is plus 16,000. At this point, with a payoff so large, I will consider which sportsbooks have more total value. For example, Bet365 does not have the highest payout on Japan, but I know their in-play betting system has more volume than any of the other sports books. Since I like to wager in-play, I would lean toward a Bet365. There are also group winner odds on the page. Best of all, the odds you see are 100% dynamic. This means they update in real time. Bookmark this page to make sure you get the best bang for your buck betting the 2014 World Cup.
Sign up to the SBR network and use your free daily bet points to earn real-world prizes. Click on the page and start winning now.